Imagine trying to organize every living thing on Earth from the tiniest moss to the biggest blue whale. Sounds impossible, right? Well, one man pulled it off. Carl Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist who literally named the world. Born in 1707, Linnaeus grew up in a small Swedish village, where his idea of fun was rummaging through forests, sketching leaves and collecting flowers. While other kids played tag, Carl was already obsessed with nature thanks to his dad, a pastor and a passionate gardener. His teachers spotted his curiosity and nudged him into medicine, which back then meant knowing a lot about plants. That's where the spark was lit. But here's the thing. Before Linnaeus, naming species was a total mess. Imagine having to remember Plantifolius alternus ovatus acuminatus glabris serratus, just to talk about one plant. Scientists used long, tongue-twisting Latin phrases, and everyone was confused. There was no order, no system, just chaos. Then Linnaeus flipped the script. At just 30, he published Systema Naturae and dropped a revolutionary idea: give every organism just two names. A genus and a species. Like Homo sapiens for humans, Panthera leo for lions, Rosa indica for roses. It was brilliant. Suddenly the whole world could talk about the same species no matter where they lived or what language they spoke. But Linnaeus didn't stop there. He named us too, Homo sapiens, meaning wise man. He grouped humans with apes, which, trust me, was pretty controversial back then, but it set the stage for everything we know about biology today. By the time he died in 1778, Linnaeus had named over 12,000 species and built the backbone of modern taxonomy. His system is everywhere, in textbooks, museum displays, and every species name you hear. Scientists are still discovering new organisms and using his method to name them. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Linnaeus loved organizing so much he even classified minerals, diseases, and clouds. He once said, "If you do not know the names of things, the knowledge of them is lost too." He even wrote his own scientific name, Homo sapiens. Talk about dedication. So next time you see a weird Latin name in your textbook, remember, Carl Linnaeus gave order to the chaos of life, and that's why every living thing has a name.